Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 8. In the lecture of class 8, I will start square root. Actually, this is the introduction of 6.3 exercise. Before starting the 6.3 exercise, I will tell you about the basic concepts of square roots. What is square root? Actually, the statement in a squares is given here, which I have already told to you about in a previous video, in which 1 square is equals to 1, 2 square is equals to 4, square of these numbers are equals to this number. It is given to you in a previous lectures. And what is square root? This square goes on right hand side and become root under root 1 and its value is 1. And if this square goes on right hand side and become root, that root 4's value is equals to 2. Root 9's value is equals to 3. Root 16's value is equals to 4. And this square is converted into root on the right hand side, that become 25 root is equals to 5. 36 root is equals to 6, that is 49's root is equals to 7. That is the inverse process of this square, that is a square root. Okay, we can find the square root by using two methods. Finding a square root by two methods. First is repeated subtraction, in which we will take only the odd numbers, do the subtraction alternatively. First number is subtracted from 1, then 3, then 5, at least at that numbers till the answer becomes 0. Okay, and in the second case we will take the prime factorization of that numbers, make the pairs and take the square roots. So I will do these two method in the exercise 6.3. So let's start with the exercise. By doing that questions, we will have a clear picture of these through repeated subtraction and prime factorization. So let's start with the exercise 6.3. Now our first question of 6.3 exercise is, what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following? It has 4 questions. I have write down 3 questions. I will do these 3 questions and one is for your practice. So I will solve first question. I will write the unit digit. How you can confirm its unit digit of the square roots? You all know first part is 9801. You all know 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 9 9s are 81. Unit digit is 1 and 1. So possible the 1 units, I will write 1's units, 1's digit of square root may be 1 or 9, because I want to see the last digit which is present here. Only doing the square of 1 and 9 square, it comes 1 and 1. So the possible values of unit digit is 1 or 9. And the second one, that is 99856. When you do the square of 4 square, that is 4 4s are 16, and when you do the square of 6 6 6 are 36. In both cases there is a 6 and 6 at the unit place. Then unit place of square, because you want to find the square root, that is the converse of this, the square root of, that's 1's digits, 1 digit of square root of 99856 is maybe, you all take it, maybe 4 or 6. Okay, the last question is also same. Third, because it is also same like 1 square and 9 square, 998001. 1's digit of square root of 998001 may be, it can be, you can write it can be 1 or 9. So this is only, no solution is there, only you have to write the numbers by your understanding. Okay, now come to the second question. Now come to the question number 2. Without doing any calculation, find the number which are surely not perfect square. I have tell you about the perfect square or not perfect square in a previous lecture, in which I have tell you about the numbers Before starting this number, I will tell you perfect square, squares ends with squares end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, and the perfect square does not end with numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8. So this number is end with 3. Okay, the first part is 153 is not perfect square. PS means perfect square. Second, 257, it ends with 7, does not perfect square. 257 is not perfect square without doing calculation. Now third, 408 ends with 8. 8 is not a perfect square, is not perfect square. Now the fourth and last part, that is 441. Yes, it is a perfect square because perfect square will end with 1. So 441 is perfect square. So this is the way to check the numbers without doing the calculation. Now come to the question number 3rd. Now our third question is find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. How you can do the square root by your repeating subtraction? You all know what are odd numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, so on. Okay, so I will take 100. First of all, I will take the square root of 100. 100 minus 1, that is 99. Then after that you have to subtract 3, that is 6 and 9, 96. Then you have to subtract 5, that is 91. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 84. Then 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that is 75. 75 minus 9, after 9 we will have 11, after 11 have 13, 13 this is 1 and 51, after that 15 this is 6, 36, after that we have 17, that is 9 and 9, 19, and after that after 17 we have 19, so I will subtract from 19, it becomes 0. Now how you can find the square root? Count the odd number which is subtracted repeatedly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to do the subtraction 10 times. That means square root of 100 is 10. So this is the way to solve the question by using the repeated subtraction. Now 169. How you can find 169? So I will do the subtraction like this. How you can solve? After 19 we have 21, then 23, then 25. So I will do the subtraction by using these odd numbers. 169 minus 168, then 3, 165, then 5, 160, then 7, 3, 5, 1, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 144, then 144 after 9 we have 11, 133. After 11, 133, 11 we have 13, 0, 2, 1. Then after that we have 15, 5, carry 0 and 1. After this we have 17, 7 and 8. Carry 9 minus 1, 88. Okay, now after that we will take 19, 9 and carry, when it take carry 7 minus 1, that is 16. After that you will take 21, 8 and 4. Then 40, after 48 we have 23. This is equals to 5 and 2. And after that 25. This is cancel out. Now the square root of 169 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 and 13. It is subtracted 13 times. So 169 square root is 30. So this is the way to find the square root by using subtraction, repeated subtraction. Now come to the next question where we have to find the prime factorization. Now we have the fourth question which you have to find the square root by prime factorization method. How you can find the square root by using prime factorization method? First of all, find the factors of the given numbers. Take first number, that is 729. 729. How you can find? Take 729. It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s are 3. 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3. The square root, for finding the square root we have to make the pair like this. The square root of 729 is equals to, take the pair once, 3 into second pair 3 and third pair is 3. It will equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is the way to find the square root by using prime factorization method. It takes less time as compared to the subtraction method. Now come to the second question. Second is 400. How you can find the square root of 400? 400 is, by using prime factorization I will find prime factor of 400. 400. It is divisible by 2. 200, then 200, then 250, then 225, then 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. How you can take the pair, make a pair and take the under root of 400. Take the pair once, 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So this is the way to find the square root by prime factorization. Now come to the third part. This is little bit lengthy as compared to first two parts, so I will do that part. Question number third. Third is 1764. That is 1764. 1764. It is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Is it divisible by 3? 3. I will check. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are. Now after cancellation by 3, it will 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are. Take 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Now square root of 1764 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. That will equals to 2 into 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. The square root of 1762 is 42. Now come to the 4096. This is the same way of finding the square root by prime factorization. So I will take 7. Fourth one is 4096. Take the prime factorization of this 4096. It is divisible by 2 first of all. 2 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Then take the prime factor with 2 again. 1 0 2 4. Then again with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Again with 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 2 2s are 4. Then 2 16s are. 2 8s are. 2 4s are. Then after that 4 we will take 2 2s are. Then 2 1s are 2. Okay, make the pair 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I will write it as 4096 square root. It is the sign of square root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. 3 and 2 5 and 1 6. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 64. So this is the way to find the square root. There are so many parts of this question. Do the practice of this type of questions. Thank you.